8th of January 2024. The time is 1:22 PM and we're going to do Roseberry Topping. I haven't done this since I was a kid. Right on my doorstep as well. I don't know why I haven't revisited for so long. But here we are. I think we're going to do the sort of like 6.5 mile route straight up Roseberry Topping, then veer onto the right and go to Captain Cook's monument. So there she is. It's like a little nipple protruding from the mountainside. Conditions are alright. It's light cloud, a bit chilly. So it's pretty decent walking conditions, especially when you're going uphill. Up the steps we go. Yeah, I remember it being steep as a kid, this first bit.
I bet these get full up there.
Nearly at the top now. Must be Gisborough over there. So far so good. Captain Cook's monument's right over there.
Oh my god.
It's not that far, it's like 6 miles in total. Top of Roseberry Topping. So we're down the other side of Roseberry Topping now. Whew. I'm going to head up there up the bank. Slow going though, it's been quite boggy, slippy on the stones, so I'm just hoping I'll have enough time to do the walk. But even if we go up there and walk along a little bit, it'll be alright, we should have enough time. Back on the Cleveland Way, heading towards the monument. I don't know if we're going to get there though, because I've just been working out. It's 5 miles. It's nearly 3 o'clock and it starts getting dark at 4. So, I don't know. Do it at a push, but we'll see. I might just like walk down here for a bit and go back. Walk around Roseberry Topping. Captain Cook's monument's up there, but we've made the executive decision that we just haven't got enough daylight hours to go, because you've got to go like walk right up the end of the big hill. It's like I said, it's 3:15 now, so we're just doing like a little it's like 2.5 miles to get back to the car park, like a little circular, but there's always next time. Should have got up a bit earlier really. We're just looping back around now, so there's Roseberry Topping. We've come all the way up the bank and down there. The monument's up there. I'll have to leave that for another day. But still, good mooch. 4 o'clock. Daylight is fading. Probably got about another mile or so to go. Should just do it. There's no avoiding the bogs though. Hard work. I'm wearing my old bird boots today. I'm not quite what the ones were. I've got 2 pairs, this is like my old ones. Just want to like run them into the ground. And we're back. You won't be able to see, it's like dark now, but anyway, we just went through the a proper quagmire bog on the low grounds. So there's nothing really much to see because it got dark. But anyway, that's another episode done. Thanks for watching.